का एक्सरसाइज 16.3 को सॉल्व करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी वैलिड असाइनमेंट ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी। नाउ इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा कौन सा वैलिड असाइनमेंट नहीं है, तो इसके पीछे का थ्योरी क्या है? ऑलवेज द प्रोबेबिलिटी लाई बिटवीन 0 to 1। 0 to 1 के बीच में हमारा कोई प्रोबेबिलिटी लाई करता है, 0 इंक्लूडिंग एंड 1 मैक्सिमम हमारा प्रोबेबिलिटी हो सकता है, और 0 निगेटिव एंट्री नहीं होगा, और 0 और 1 के बीच में ही हमारा, और 0 से लेकर के मैक्सिमम प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 हो सकता है। ठीक है, तो ये जो चीज हमारा इसमें देखते हैं किसमें सेटिस्फाई होता है, W1 से लेकर W7 तक है। तो सबको हम ऐड करेंगे और देखेंगे कि क्या ये 1 से ज्यादा है, जिसमें निगेटिव एंट्री होगा वो हमारा वैलिड नहीं होगा। यही दो थ्योरी याद रखना है। तो W1 से लेकर के W7 तक इसको अगर ऐड किया गया तो ये 1 आता है, ये 1 आ रहा है, तो हमारा ये दिस असाइनमेंट इज वैलिड असाइनमेंट। करेक्ट। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 1/7 ये हमारा 7 टाइम्स है, तो ये हमारा वैलिड असाइनमेंट होगा। उसी तरह से C ऐड करते हैं, दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 1, सो दिस इज नॉट ए वैलिड असाइनमेंट। फाइंड क्वेश्चन नंबर D, there is a negative entry, so this is not a valid assignment, this is negative entry। यहाँ और यहाँ हमारा negative entry नहीं होना चाहिए। करेक्ट। 1/14 से लेकर के 15/14 तक अगर ऐड करते हैं which is greater than 1, so it is not a valid assignment। Okay, so this is the way we can find out the which particular table, whatever the entry, is valid or not। Question number 2, a coin is tossed twice। अगर हम 2 बार पहले टॉस करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें what is the probability that at least one tail occur। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग अगर फर्स्ट सैंपल स्पेस निकालेंगे, एक बार अगर हम करते हैं तो हेड टेल आता है, तो हमने सैंपल स्पेस में ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूं, एक बार हमारा हेड टेल, हेड और टेल, यहां पर एक बार और फेंका तो हेड और टेल, तो इसके हिसाब से सैंपल स्पेस हमारा क्या होगा, HH HT TH TT, ये हमारा हो गया। नाउ इवेंट हमारा क्या है, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट एट लीस्ट वन टेल अकर, कम से कम एक टेल अकर होना चाहिए, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी। सो नंबर ऑफ टोटल आउटकम जो है जिसमें एक टेल है, ऐसा कौन कौन सा इवेंट है, हेड टेल, टेल हेड और टेल टेल। तो ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम फेवरेबल टू इवेंट ए डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम। नाउ दैट इज नथिंग बट 3/4। ये हमारा टोटल 3 है, दिस इज 3 एंड दिस इज द टोटल सैंपल स्पेस इज 4। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ए डाई इज थ्रोन। तो डाई जैसे ही फेंकते हैं तो हम 1 2 3 4 5 6 हमारे दिमाग में आना चाहिए। फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इवेंट। ये टोटल हमारा दिया हुआ है, ए प्राइम नंबर विल अपीयर, ए नंबर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 3 विल अपीयर। ये सारा चीज है, एक एक करके हम लोग इसको, इसका इवेंट को लिखते हैं, और सिंपल स्पेस 1 2 3 4 5 6, और ये प्राइम नंबर आएगा इसमें, तो हमारा प्राइम नंबर 2 3 5 है, तो रिक्वायर्ड कितना है 3, ये हमारा 3 नंबर है, n इक्वल टू 3 और ns इक्वल टू 6, तो इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/2 हो गया। उसी तरह से सेकंड है, लेट बी द इवेंट ऑफ अकरेंस नंबर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 3 है, 3 या 3 से बड़ा, तो 3 4 5 6, दैट इज 4/6 2/3। थर्ड, अकरेंस ऑफ नंबर लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1, तो एक ही नंबर हमारा है, दैट इज 1, so probability 1/6। Let D be the event of occurrence of number greater than 6, that is not possible because that number not exist, so the event is the 0/6 is 0। Sixth, E be the event of occurrence of number less than 6, less than 6 means 1 2 3 4 5, so this is total number of event 5 divided by टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम, तो ये हमारा 6 है। जस्ट ये बहुत आसान, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस, सो जस्ट आई एम गोइंग थ्रू। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ए कार्ड इज सेलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द पैक ऑफ 52 कार्ड्स। how many points are there in the sample space? Calculate the probability that card is an ace of card spreads. Calculate the probability that card is an ace and black card. Now total card हमारे पास 52 है. How many points are there in the sample space? There are total 52 cards are there, so 52 elements sample space are possible. Correct? Total cards are 52. Now number of possible outcome हमारा 52 ही हो सकता है. Sample space contains 52 element, so there are 52 points in the sample space. This is the first question. Second question is probability that the card is an ace of spades. Ace of spades कितना होगा हमारा? एक ही होगा. Ace of spades, spades में हमारा एक ही हमारा ace होता है, that is only one. So 1 by 52 is the probability. Third question is calculate the probability that the card is an ace and black card. Ace and black card का combination कितना होगा? There are 4 ace card out in the 52 cards, correct? And which is black. So that is 4 by 52. Now this is the ace card. Now black card. Now it is asking about the black card. So total number of black card is 26. So 26 by 52 is the probability of the black card. This is the second part. Clear? In this question, a fair coin with one mark on one marked on one face. Correct? एक suppose हमारा coin है जिसमें एक हमारा एक लिख दिया गया है और 6 लिख दिया गया है. Correct? 6 on the other face and the fair die are both tossed. Fair die अगर die करते हैं तो क्या होगा? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now इस दोनों के हिसाब से हमारा सैंपल स्पेस क्या क्या हो जाएगा? 1 1 1 6 2 1 2 6 3 1 3 6 4 1 4 6 5 1 5 6 6 1 6 6. Correct? These are the total sample space is possible. Find the probability that the sum of the number that turn up 3 and 12. 3 and 12 अगर हमको लाना है तो इसमें हमारा क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज होगा ये देखना है. तो टोटल उसमें सैंपल स्पेस में वो देखते हैं. नाउ फेयर कॉइन में 1 मार्क ऑन द वन फेस एंड 6 ऑन द अदर फेस और उसके बाद हमारा डाई थ्रो किया गया. तो टोटल सैंपल स्पेस इज दिस 12 1 1 1 2 थ्रो that we discussed and 6 1 से 6 6. That is total number of sample space is 12. A be the event in which the sum of number is 3. So that is only one number that is possible, 1 and 2. Correct? That is only one number. So 1 and 2. So the probability of the required event is 1 by 12. Probability of the required event is 1 by 12. Now second, it's asking event in which sum of number turn up 12. अगर ये 12 हमको है आएगा तो that is only one possibility, 6 and 6, that is 1 by 12. Here also the probability is 1 by 12. Now question number 6. There are 4 men and 6 women on a city council. So total sample space is nothing but 4 men and 6 women. So total counting is 10. This is the sample space. If one council member is selected for a committee at random, how likely it is that it is a woman? अगर woman होगा तो हमारे पास total women कितने हैं? 6. तो 6 by 10. This is the probability. This is so easy questions. So there are total 10 elements are there. That is total 10 members are there. Now we have to select a council member from the women and total number of counting of the women is 6. So NA by NS, that is 3 by 5. Question number 7. Now question number 7. This is very important question. This is very important question. Okay. Now just you see, if fair coin is tossed 4 times, then first from here, what is the conclusion? Our total sample space is 2 ka power 4. That is nothing but the 16 total sample space. And we can find out the total sample space. Correct? Head tail, head tail, head tail, head tail. So we will find out the sample space. And a person win one for each head. How many heads will come? Based on that, he will win 1 rupees and lose 1.5 rupees for each tail that turn up. How many times the turn up tail will come? Then he will lose 1.5 rupees. From the sample space, calculate how many different amount of money you can have after 4 tosses and probability of having each of these amount. Now, just first we have to find out the probability of gaining and losing the money after 4 tosses. Correct? Now, first possibility, just you think, when we tossed 4 times and luckily all 4 times head came. Okay, suppose first time head came, second time head came, third time head came, fourth time also head came. So if all 4 times head came, then total for every head count he will get 1 rupees. So how many gains? 4 rupees he will gain. This is the first thing. Correct? Now suppose 3 heads and 1 tail came. Suppose 3 heads and 1 tail turn up, then 3 rupees he will gain and 1.5 rupees he will lose. In that case, 1.5 rupees he will gain. But 2 head and 2 tails turn up, then 2 rupees gain, but 3 rupees loss. So 1 rupees is, in that case, loss is there. And if 1 head and 3 tail will come, then 1 rupees he will gain and 4.5 rupees he will lose. So ultimately he will lose 3.5 rupees. And if all 4 tails turn up, then in that case he will lose 6 rupees. So this is the different cases we took. This is the case, this is the case, this is the case, this is the case, and 4 head. So in all these cases, we have to find out the probability of each case. Correct? So first, all the sample space we have to write down. That is total 2 to the power 4. That is 16 total sample space it will come. So first we have to count out the sample space with the individual head and tail we have to write down. Now first case, suppose 4 rupees he will gain. So in that case, there is only one chances or one event is there. That is, this is the case. So probability of winning 4 rupees is 1 by 16. Now person wins 1.5 rupees. So in that case, 3 heads and 1 tail it's turn up. So 3 head means 3 head this and 3 head and 1 tail. There are 4 total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 such possibilities are there. So 4 by 16. Now one person lose 1 rupees. So in that case, this is possibility when 2 head and 2 tails come. So everywhere we have to count how many sample space. From the sample space we counted, there are total 6 possibilities. So 6 by 16 of probability of losing 1 rupees. Now probability of losing 3.5 rupees, and for that is the case when 1 head and 3 tail, that is the possibility, and total 4 possibilities are there. So probability is 4 by 16. And probability of losing 6 rupees, that is only possible when 4 tails will come. So 4 tails will come, that is the probability of 1 by 16. So this is the rupees, and this is the how many times in the sample space this is occurring. We have to count and we have to find out the probability. Now question number 8. Now question number 8 is also similar type. 3 coins are tossed and find the probability of this. All the things are given. So first our task is to write the sample space correctly with all the possibilities. So when 3 coins tossed, that is the sample space is 8. Correct? Now to whatever the probability we will find out with this formula, required by total. Now first, B be the event of occurrence of 3 heads. If 3 heads will come, that is only one possibility, H H H. So in that case, the probability is 1/8. Event of occurrence of 2 heads. 2 heads, that is the possibilities, that is 3/8. Probability is 3/8. D with the event of occurrence of at least 2 head. At least means minimum 2 head, and after that maximum 3 heads it's coming. So total count is 4 head. So according to that, this is 1/2. Now fourth, E with the event of occurrence of at most 2 heads. So maximum 2 heads, correct? So maximum is 2, minimum is 1. So head till total counting is 7. So 7/8. Occurrence of no heads. No heads is meaning is only tail. This is only one possibility, 1/8. Event of occurrence of 3 tails. Only 3 tails, that is also the same. That is only tail. That is also 1/8. H be the event of occurrence of exactly 2 tails. So exactly 2 tails, only 3 possibilities are there. That is 3/8. Now no tails means only heads. So that is the possibility 1/8. J be the event of occurrence of at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails means J be the event of occurrence of at most maximum 2 tails. After that, just 2 tails here, 2 tails here. At most mean maximum, that is minimum is 1 or minimum is not. Okay, at most 1. So at most case we had written that is 7. So the probability is 7/8. Clear? Now if 2/11 is the probability of event, what is not? And we know the formula PA plus PA dash is 1. PA, probability of the event, plus same probability of the A equal to 1. So if 2/11 is given, so 1 minus 2/11 is 9/11. Now question number 10, we have to see question number 10. Now a letter is chosen at random from the word assassination. Find the probability that letter is vowel and consonant. Now total number of letter is 13, that is act like a sample space. Now in this 6 vowels are there. So for the probability of the vowel 6/13 and probability of 7 consonant. So 7/13 is the probability of 7 consonant. In a lottery, person choose 6 different natural number at the random 1 to 20. And if this 6 number match with the 6 number already fixed by the lottery committee, he wins the prize. What is the probability of winning the prize game? Now, important thing is total number of ways when we select out of 20, 6 number we can select. So this is the probability of total number possibilities of 6 number out of 20 numbers. We can do the selection. Now, there is in the lottery, there is only one possibility, one number which will match, then we will win the lottery. So based on that, that is only one possibility, 1/38760. Clear? Now question number 12 देखते हैं. Now in the question number 12, check whether the following probability PA and PB are consistently defined or not. तो इसका बेसिक थ्योरम क्या बोलता है? अगर कोई भी फंक्शन, कोई भी हमारा प्रोबेबिलिटी के क्वेश्चन में अगर सेट्स दिया हुआ है, सपोज PA is given 0.5, PB is given 0.7, PA intersection B 0.6. Now if you will compare this value, then PA intersection B is less than PA. So ये हमारा कंसिस्टेंटली डिफाइन नहीं होगा. ठीक है, ये हमारा बेसिक एक रूल याद रखें कि हम अगर किसी भी पार्टिकुलर सेट में, हमारा एक सेट है, now E is subset of F, PE is less than equal to F. दो अगर हमारा इस तरह से इवेंट्स हैं, 2 इवेंट्स हैं, एक ही चीज, एक कंडीशन आपको याद रखना है कंसिस्टेंटली डिफाइन के लिए. अगर इंटरसेक्शन वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, अगर ग्रेटर देन एक पार्टिकुलर इवेंट से बड़ा है, तो वो कंसिस्टेंटली डिफाइंड नहीं होगा. नाउ दूसरे केस में अगर हम देखते हैं, तो A यूनियन B जो हमारा वैल्यू है, दैट इज ग्रेटर देन PA एंड PA यूनियन B इज ग्रेटर देन PB, तो ये हम बोलेंगे कि ये हमारा कंसिस्टेंटली डिफाइंड है. Clear? Now question number 13. Fill in the blanks. PA, PB, PA intersection B. Now अब हमें ये जो भी वैल्यू अगर हमें फिल करना है तो हमें एक ही फार्मूला होता है, P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. तो यहां पे हम ये काउंटिंग करके अगर हम लिखते हैं तो ये हमारा बेसिकली जो सेट थ्योरी का हमारा बेसिक प्रोबेबिलिटी थ्योरम है वही यहाँ पे हमारा अप्लाई होता है। नाउ वहां पे हम लोग सेट थ्योरी में n करके हम लोग लेते हैं, एन ए यूनियन बी, एन ए प्लस एन बी माइनस एन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, और वही वैल्यू हमारा प्रोबेबिलिटी में हो जाता है। नाउ पी ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज अ फार्मूला दैट वी डिस्कस्ड, just you substitute the value. This is given 1/3, this is 1/5, this is 1/15. Answer is 7/15. Similarly, second question, if you will see the second question, three values are given, one value we have to find out. Here also three values are given, we have to find third value. In the second question, PA is given, PA intersection B, PA union B. Just in the value, just we substitute the value and we will get the result. So PB is equal to 0.5. So this is nothing but the one particular formula, and in that particular formula we have to substitute the value. Now question number third, PA is given, PB is given, PA union B is given, and we have to find out PA intersection B. So here also same thing, we have to substitute the value and we will get the result of A intersection B. Now question number 14. PA, this is all nothing but the addition theorem. PA is given, PB is given, PA or B. If A and B are mutually exclusive event. Now, PA or B meaning is what? Mutually exclusive event is nothing but where intersection of, suppose A intersection B equal to 5. This is the case of mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive event intersection of two sets is 5. So PA or B is nothing but PA union B. So what is the value of PA and PB? Just we have to add these two value and we will get the result. Just add the value, get the result. E and F are the two events. PE, PF is given. PE and F, that is nothing but the and means intersection. Find E or U. P or F means or means union. P not E not F, not E not F. So whatever the things we read in the set theory, same De Morgan's law, like that only we have to apply the value. So just you see all the value that is given. PA or F, that is nothing but PE union F. 1/4 is given, PE, PF, E and F is given. Just we substitute the value, we get the answer. Second is PE or F. Second question is first E or F, that we have to find out. Already we got it. Now E or F equal to E union F, that we discussed. Now by De Morgan's law that we discussed, E union F dash is nothing but E dash intersection F dash. So probability of E dash intersection F dash is nothing but whatever the intersection, just you reverse this, and whatever the both value of dash, and you have to take this dash here. So E union F dash, we can write 1 minus probability of E union F, that is 1 minus 5/8 is 3/8. So E dash intersection F dash is nothing but 1 minus this value we had written, so that is 3/8. PE not F, this is the value, that is 3/8. These all are based on the addition theorem. Event E and F are such that P not E not F 0.25. State whether E and F are mutually exclusive or not. So E dash union F dash is 0.25. So according to this theorem, De Morgan's law, E dash union F dash, that we can write this union become intersection. So E intersection F dash. So the value is same. So E intersection F is nothing but 1 minus P E intersection F dash. That we can write. And E intersection F is 0.775, but this value is not equal to C0. So definitely this is not a mutually exclusive event. So this is the way we can find out the particular given event is mutually exclusive or not. Now, A and B are given and A intersection B is 0.3 values are given. Not A. Not A means 1 minus PA. Not B means 1 minus PB. A or B means A, PA plus PB minus A intersection B. Just we substitute all the values and we will get the result. Clear? Now question number 18 is, that is nothing but the word-based problem. In a class 11th school of 40% student study math, 30% bio, 10% study both math and bio. So one event is given. One is, this is for the math, this is for the math, this is for the bio, and 10% is both, that is intersection of math and bio. We have to find out union of math union bio, we have to find out. So first we have to give the name of the event. Suppose A is the student who is studying mathematics, B is the student who is studying bio. So according to the question, PA is 40%, that is 2 by 3. After that, PB is 30%, that is 3 by 10. Intersection value is 10%, 1 by 10. Just we substitute in the given formula and we will get the 0.6 value. Now, in an entrance test that is granted on the basis of 2 examinations, the probability of randomly chosen student passing the first examination is 0.8 and the probability of passing the second examination is 0.7. The probability of passing at least one of them is 0.95. What is the probability of passing both the exam? So according to the question, PA is given, PB is given, PA or B is given 0.95. So we have to find out intersection of P, A and B. So according to the formula, just we substitute in this and substitute all the values. We will get the result of PA intersection B. Clear? That is 0.55. The probability that a student will pass the final examination in both English and Hindi is 0.5. Probability of passing neither is 0.1. If probability of passing English examination is 0.75, what is the probability of passing in the Hindi exam? So according to the given question, A and B is given 0.5. Not A, not B. That is A dash intersection B dash is 0.1. Correct? This value is 0.1. And probability of A is 0.75. So according to the De Morgan's law, whenever this type of things are there, where both A dash intersection B dash is there, so you have to convert this into the one particular form. Okay, one particular. So A dash intersection B dash, we converted this into the A union B dash, and after that just see the value. अब उसके बाद हमें करना क्या है, A यूनियन B डैश हमारा ये इसके बराबर है जो वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 0.1. तो A यूनियन B is nothing but 1 minus PA union B, we can write out, that is complement of this one, and 1 minus 0.1 value is 0.9. Now after that just apply the formula and only get the Hindi student. So PA union B is given, PA is given, PB is given, PB we have to find out. So PB is 0.65. Now question number 21. In a class of 60 students, 30 of NCC, 32 of NSS, 24 of both. If one of these students selected at random, find the probability of all the three questions are there. Student opted NCC or NSS, that is union. Neither NCC nor SSS. Student opted NSS but not NCC. So according to the question, first we have to find out number of students who opted NCC. Probability of A is 1/2. Number of students opted NSS, that is total number of students is 60. Out of that, 30 student is selecting NSS. So what is the probability? 8/15. Now PA in A and B, that is PA intersection B, is both opting 2/5. So all the three value we got it. Now we have to substitute the value PA or B. Just we have to substitute the value, and PA, PB, PA intersection B, we got 19/30. This is the student who are selecting the student opted NCC or NSS. This is the first question. Now neither A nor B. Here De Morgan's law, that is nothing but the A dash intersection B dash. So we can write this one whenever both the event have dash, that is complement, then we have to convert this into the A union B complement. A union B complement, and this we can write 1 minus PA union B, and we know this value, that is 19/30, and this become 11/30. So the given information can be represented with the Venn diagram. This is the way we can represent the Venn diagram. So I hope and it is clear. Now third part we represented with the help of Venn diagram. This is the A value, this is the B value, and this is the A intersection B value. Now number of students who have opted NSS but not NCC. So according to the question, we have to find NB minus A, that is NB minus A intersection B, that is nothing but the 8. So total probability is 8/60, that is 2/15. So in this way you can solve all the questions. I hope all the questions are clear. You can do the revision and practice these questions.